Yo. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Rafa, S1000RR Rafa here again. I'll say good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, because it is 2:30 almost. I'm finishing up the bike. I got to meet up with Mess, Kaden, and James, the boys, True Vision Photography. We're going to go out, do some shoots. I think one of their boys scheduled up a shoot or something like that. But I got my bike halfway torn apart. I did get some more carbon for the bike. I'm doing I did the swing arm already. I'm kind of rushing here because I'm in a time frame. They wanted me at 3 and it's 2:24. So I gotta hurry. I got about probably left on it. I did break a tab out of the fairings right now when I was taking it off, but this side's completely done, 100% done. You got to take off all the fairings just to put the frame piece on there. The rear swing arm looks amazing. I love it. You know, huge shout out to RPM. A lot of people say that the fitment's not that great, but I like it. I mean, it's my preference. You get what you get for the money, and it's not that crazy expensive. Let me finish up here real quick, and once I'm done, we'll head out and go meet up with True Vision and Mess. Let's do it. All right. We are done, and the bike turned out perfect. I freaking love the new aesthetics with the carbon that I added on it. If you haven't really looked at the bike like me, you can't really see it. I mean, it just stands out. I see it. That back section is just full carbon now. It goes perfect with that SC project. I love it. I did add the decals, the new decals. S1000RR Rafa decals. I did ask a couple people on the gram if they wanted one. I did mail some out, so be on the lookout in your mail. But man, this thing's gorgeous. Look at all that carbon. When the sun hit it, ooh, damn. Perfect. Got the Insta360 mounted. This one did fall off in Miami. It's got little scuffs here and there. I did reach out to Insta. Shout out to them. They're sending me another one. You can see the scuff on the video. And you got the rear one. But man, it's time to roll out. Let's go meet the boys. Let's start her up. Woo! Baby, she had not ran since Miami, I'll tell you that. I love it. I love my bike, man. I just love it. We closed the garage door with I got a little sensor in my jacket. Garage door closes. Love it. Let's hop on it. Let's get to business. Let's go meet up with the boys. Let's be careful not get this bike dirty. We are going to see a lot of water here. We did have snow over the week, so all the snow is melting. It wasn't even snow. It was more like, I want to say it was like ice. It was horrible. You see how there's a bunch of water on the cracks? That's not good. Definitely not good. I changed the mount on the camera, so like I said, I am tweaking it here and there. So I've been looking at different people that are trying to vlog. I mean, I'm still that same person, I'm still trying to learn the best way, the best method, but mess with it. If first video don't come out good, hey, that's what I'm doing. Trial and error, baby. Trial and error. I don't want it too down or too high. That's my thing, Get the same vision that I see, on the Miami vlogs, which I appreciate you guys for watching those. I think you can see my dash perfectly, and that's exactly what I see. Like how do we go from being 22 degrees out with eyes, roads are completely covered in black eyes, to this? Like how? What's up, bro? When we came out of nowhere, you got a pink on the bike. I like that. Yeah, I like the pink, bro. I like the pink. Yup, it's wet. It's wet. Gotta be careful. I know damn well it's gonna be water under the tunnel right now. I hope none of my carbon flies out. I swear to God. I would literally, I would cry. I'm not gonna cry, I ain't no bitch, but that would be upsetting, bro. You pay so much money for it. On a buck 92 right now, so then we should be good. We're not missing anything yet. pump some gas. Receipt? No. Get some gas. She's thirsty. Yo, y'all remember when gas was like $5? I remember that my bike was filling up with like $21 or something like that. What's your guys' price on gas where y'all live? Let's go meet the boys. Look at him. What's up, Papa? Nothing. Alright, we're still waiting for one of the guys to go join the shoot. I mean, it's actually his shoot. It's not even our shoot. Just gonna tag along. I think he hit a mess and he just said, hey, you and your boy can join. We're gonna head to the express real quick. Get down and back. Yeah, just record a little bit. We're still waiting for one more guy, so you guys can come through. Or...
Yeah, are we gonna tag along? Or I don't want to like.
No, yeah. If y'all want to tag along, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. We're gonna be chilling on the way there, cause it's wet on the way there, and then on the way back we might rip it a little bit. Yeah, but we're about to head out, make a little run, just make it part of the vlog, you know, make it more interesting. Look at the carbon just hitting with the sun, my boy. Woo! On the way back, we might be able to rip it a little bit. I'm really liking how these vlogs are turning out. The only hard part about it is that I'm so used to like not talking in my helmet. Like, just the fact that every time I just strap on, put my jacket on, let's go, you know, it's go time, and I'm just focused on the road, that's it. Got a CX-10 like messes, really clean. I like the setup. Actually, as a matter of fact, on the CX-10, I love messes, but I've even told him I love this color with the red accents, and it's pretty nice. I really like it. It's just how clean it looks, you know? There you go. Wet on this side. Yo, my camera fell off. Yo, my camera fell off, bruh. I just won't tuck in, that's it. Yeah, probably when I tucked in, yeah. Man, that's not good. I almost lost my camera, bro. Now I got the wire coming out of me and crazy. Oh, look at this. Right on. They got some badass cars. We got a C8 and a Porsche over here. What is that, a GT2 RS? Not very good at recognizing these cars, but pretty fucking clean, bro. Yeah. Badass. Damn. Wonder who these guys are. The GT3 RS. Wow, that thing's beautiful, bro. Wow. And I'm sure they got another one in there. Nice car, brother. Nice car. CX-10 versus CX-10. Okay, all three of us. Let's do it. was a good run. I almost lost my GoPro too, so. That was good. Got a little oil right there. Better be careful. Oh, James.
God.
Yeah, I can smell it. I know. Yeah, I saw that. Yep. Yep. All right, so we're about to go. The boy Caden's ready. He got the camera, the tripod. This is setup, right? James, you good, bro? You locked in? All right, let's do it. We're about to make magic happen, and we got the guy talking over there a lot, so we're doing his shoot. He got the beautiful Aprilia RSV4 double R. Homie was talking to me. He said he just moved in from another state. Been here for about 7 months, so he's the one that got the boys to do the shoot. So we're about to go with him. We got Mess. I'll put his IG right here. About the face. Ooh, this sounds good, bro. It's just all part of the, you know, suspense. You know what I'm saying?
You kind of feel it? So it'll be down the middle.
I'm in the middle.
Go right.
Yeah. You go whatever way you want.
Wherever you way, and I'm gonna go opposite.
Right. Yeah, let's do that. That one was good. Yeah. That was good. That was a good wheelie. That was a good wheelie. Oh shit, I didn't see him with the sun. We got Caden's Z01, but we're all done. We're about to head out to, I think there's going to be a meet. Do a separate vlog for that, you know, just, you know, it was a good time out with Mess. If you watched the video this far, thanks so much. I appreciate that. Love you guys. You know, thanks for the support. Hopefully this video is getting a little better every time, you know. I'm trying to better myself. But other than that, guys, peace, guys.